Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox low memory issue. It's really quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or even your computer. If you're getting errors about low memory, if the game is lagging, glitchy, or just not running well, there are a few things you can do to clear that memory and improve performance. What we're going to do is open the settings on your device. If you're on an iPhone, scroll down and tap on General, then look for iPhone storage. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your phone and how much space each one is using. The first thing to check is how much free space you have. If you have less than a gigabyte left, maybe even just a few hundred megabytes, your phone might be struggling to run games properly. You may need to delete unused apps, old videos, or large files to free up space. Now scroll down and find Roblox in the list. Tap on it, and you'll see how much space the app is taking up. There are two options here. One is Offload App, which removes the app but keeps its data. The second option, which I recommend, is Delete App. This will completely remove Roblox along with all of its cache, temporary files, and any stored logs. Don't worry, this won't delete your game's account, friends, or chat history. Everything will still be there when you reinstall the app. Now go to the App Store, search for Roblox, and install it again. Once it's downloaded, open the app, and you'll need to log back into your account. Just enter your username and password, and if needed, check your email or phone for a verification code to regain access. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that the game runs much smoother since all of that extra cache and unnecessary data has been cleared out. And that's it. That's how you can fix the low memory issue on Roblox and improve performance. If this video helped, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.